In primetime news this evening, where are the students? Education Ministry reveals that thousands of students missing from last school year still absent from classes this year. Double jeopardy, new law allowing prosecutors the right to appeal court rulings. TVJ News break down the implications. And later, St. Catherine Poor Relief Department ramps up assistance for homeless. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, with the new academic year approaching midterm, have there been improvements in your child's remote learning experience? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.